Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to plan resource allocation in Monday.com, your complete 2025 guide. Let's start with creating a new board. Click on the plus button on the left side of your workspace. This is where you're going to input the details of your project. This step ensures that you have a dedicated space to manage your resource allocation. Now that we've done that, let's move on to adding your team. Click on the Invite button and type in the names or emails of your team members. The reason we do this is to ensure all relevant stakeholders are involved in the project. Next up, let's start assigning tasks. Click on the Add button under the Tasks column and type in your task. This helps us because it allows us to see a clear overview of all the tasks that need to be completed. Once you've added your tasks, it's time to allocate resources. Click on the person icon next to each task and choose a team member. Let me explain why this matters. Assigning clear responsibilities prevents confusion and ensures that everyone knows what they need to do. Finally, set your timelines. Click on the date icon next to each task and set your start and end dates. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Monday.com is now building a visual timeline that helps you track your project progress. And there you have it. You've just planned your resource allocation in Monday.com. Remember, this tool is designed to help you manage your resources more effectively. So, make sure to update and review your board regularly. That's it for this tutorial. If you followed these steps, you're well on your way to mastering resource allocation in Monday.com. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.